Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Truflation token. Ticker symbol is TRUF. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. Now this is a cross-chain token. It's on the Ethereum network. It's also on the Arbitrum network. And we're going to go over all the info on this token and a couple different ways that you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, the intersection of blockchain technology and real-world economy data is catalyzing a new paradigm of trust and transparency in digital asset management. So the Truflation streaming network, TSN, not the sports network, and the underlying definitive reference point protocol, the DRPP, is at the forefront of this revolution, providing a dependable conduit for integrating real-time economic data into decentralized finance applications. So the DRPP hosts the decentralized query architecture that provides security and transparency to guarantee data integrity, offering stakeholders the assurance of tamper-resistant and accurate information. So Truflation's transparent, reliable real-time data provisioning could have far-reaching implications, streamlining financial markets, enabling new business and economic models, and providing valuable insights for a range of stakeholders, including developers, researchers, and policymakers. We envision the community building out a variety of apps and businesses based on these core protocol benefits. They have enhanced financial markets, so TSN can revolutionize how financial markets operate by providing real-time accurate economic data. This data accessibility could lead to more informed decision-making, potentially reducing market inefficiencies and increasing transparency. They also have DeFi with real-time data streams. DeFi platforms can automate and optimize smart contracts and transactions with unprecedented precision. This can lead to sturdier financial products and more resilient economic models within the DeFi space. Increased data reliability, so the distributed nature of TSN ensures data isn't subject to single points of failure. High capacity functioning means increased data redundancy and resilience, minimizing the risk of data manipulation or loss. They have broad accessibility, so providing diverse groups ranging from small startups to large enterprises with real-time economic data levels the playing field, enabling smaller entities to compete more effectively with established players who have traditionally had greater access to timely data. Also, innovation and new services. So the TSN data streams can foster innovation by enabling the creation of new products and services that rely on real-time economic metrics, such as dynamic pricing or adaptive financial forecasting tools. Also, global economic insights. The network could serve as a global barometer for economic health by aggregating data from multiple countries and regions. This broad perspective could aid in identifying trends and insights that single nation entities might not capture. Also, policy making and governance. With the accurate and immediate economic data, Governments could refine policy decisions. TSN could be pivotal in responding rapidly to economic crisis or shifts, allowing for more agile governance. Empowered research and analysis, so academics and economic researchers would have a wealth of high-quality data at their fingertips. This could lead to breakthroughs in economic theories and models, and perhaps even the discovery of new economic indicators. And lastly, the TSN seeks to establish an indispensable resource for facilitating informed, secure economic decisions within the Truflation Definitive Reference Point Protocol and the greater distributed network of interoperable data feeds and ecosystem. As we explore the components and operations of the TSN, we pave the way for a heightened understanding of how real-time economic data can be securely and efficiently leveraged in decentralized finance and beyond. So, a lot of info there, but basically the Truf token here can be used for governance. You could stake it, and it is getting a brand new central exchange listing. So starting April 9th at 9 a.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get the Truflation token, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TRUF, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now there's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. You can find it on Etherscan or on Arbiscan. How the tokens are split up here, we got 13% going to team and recruitment, 2% advisors, 16.5% ecosystem community, 10% product development, 12% liquidity, 20% staking rewards, 3.43% pre-seed round, 7.82% seed round, and then the rest is split up between private rounds and strategic investors. According to the Etherscan, it says 14 holders, so it's not even available anywhere yet. And then their Arbiscan says 3 holders. So it's not available on DEXs or central exchanges yet, but probably around the same time it gets listed on Gate. It will go over to places like Uniswap or Camelot for the Arbitrum version. Yeah, you'll eventually be able to get it on DEXs as well. So if Gate is not available in your area, in your country, then if you're looking to get the token, you might have to use like Uniswap or Camelot or something like that. But they will announce updates on their socials, so you can stay tuned for that as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.